Hello, I am going to do a question from dominance rule. In dominance rule, we take the matrix into 2 into 2 matrix form. The main thing you need to remember here is first of all you need to check whether the saddle point exists or not. After that, remove weakest strategy from row and remove strongest strategy from column. Then take given matrix into 2 into 2 matrix form. Let's move forward to ask the question. The question is, two breakfast food manufacturers ABC and XYZ are competing for an increased market share. The payoff matrix sum in the following table shows the increase in market share ABC and decrease in market share of XYZ. Determine the optimal strategy for both manufacturers. Here you need to determine the optimal strategy for both ABC and XYZ manufacturers. Moving towards the solution to check whether saddle point exists or not, we take minimum value from the row and maximum value from the column. Here in the row, the minimum value is -2, 1, -3 and -3. Then in column, maximum value is 6, 2, 12 and 6. Here maximin is not equal to minimax, so saddle point doesn't exist. Then to take it into 2 into 2 matrix form, हामी रोबाट weakest strategy काट्छौँ र कोलमबाट strongest strategy काट्छौँ. यहाँ गिफ्ट्स कुपन चाहिँ डिक्रिज प्राइस भन्दा सानो छ, राइट? सो वी कट द weakest strategy. देन गिफ्ट्स कुपन र मार्केट प्रेजेन्ट स्ट्राटेजी कम्पेयर गर्दाखेरि market present strategy is greater than gives coupon, so we remove the strongest strategy, right? हामी 2 into 2 matrix बनाउनलाई again weak strategy र strongest strategy काट्छौँ हामी यहाँ. सो यहाँ decrease price र increase ADV compare गर्दाखेरि increase ADV is lesser than decrease price, so we remove the weakest strategy, right? सो अब कोलुममा डिपी र आइएनसी एडिभी कम्पेयर गर्दा आइएनसी एडिभी इज ग्रेटर देन डिपी, सो वी रिमुभ द स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट स्ट्राटेजी. नाउ इट इज इन 2 into 2 matrix form, right? Now what we do is find GC, determinant of GC minus DP, which is 5 from the row. Both are 5, then the sum is 10. Now we divide, then we do like this, and we do the same in column. DP minus MPS is 9 and it's 1, right? Then we add it, 9 plus 1 is 10, right? Now we need to find the value of decrease price, MPS, gives coupon and DP. We have one idea. Let's cross multiply and put this value into at here, this value at here, and this at DP equals to 9 by 10, this at here 1 by 10. अब हामीले भ्यालु अफ गेम निकाल्छौँ. भ्यालु अफ गेम चाहिँ 6 into 5 by 10 minus 3 into 5 by 10 गरेर निकाल्छौँ. त्यो गर्दा 3 by 2 आउँछ. You can find anyway. 1 into 5 by 10 plus 2 into 5 by 10 गरे पनि 3 by 2 नै आउँछ, and 1 by 10 into 6 plus 9 by 10 into 1 गर्दा पनि 3 by 2 नै आउँछ. This is how we find value of game, and now we need to find optimal strategy of ABC and optimal strategy of XYZ. To find the optimal strategy of ABC, here the decrease price is 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2, and MPS is 5 by 10, which is 1 by 2. Here gives coupon value and INCADV value are not given, so they are 0 and 0. Similarly, optimal strategy of XYZ, here gives value is 1 by 10, DP value is 9 by 10, and here also MPS value and INCADV value are not given, so it's 0 and 0. Thank you.